Hey, what's going on, Mopar family? As you guys seen in the video yesterday, I got some new exhaust tips for the Charger. So I'm going to go ahead and do an installation of the exhaust tips. Pull the stock fake tips out and install some quad tips. In case you didn't see the video yesterday where I showed you guys the new quad tips I got, here they are. I think they'll look pretty good. Gonna be replacing those, so I think they'll look quite a bit better. So there's one last view of what it looks like stock. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to work. Here we go. Alright guys, as you can see here, I had to pop the plastic rear valence off to get easier access to the rivets that are holding on the exhaust tips. I know it's a little dark, but you can see the rivets poking through right there that hold the tips on. So now that I got that out of the way, I'm going to go ahead and pull them out and pull them off. Alright guys, so that's what it looks like with no valence, no tips. If you can see, it's a little dark. There's the exhaust there. And here's them dang tips that were they're pop riveted on. They're a little bit of a pain in the butt to get off, but got them off there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the new tips put on there and get the valence back on. Only thing that holds the valence on is 4 push pins and 2 pop rivets on the end. The rest of it just pops on. So I'm gonna get it back together, see what it looks like. Hey guys, sorry about the video jumping from the exhaust tip installation to here right now. So basically I had some issues getting everything to line up right. I was trying to get them installed last night, couldn't get them to line up right. So as you guys will see here in just a minute, I don't have no exhaust tips on my car right now. It looks like I'm going to have to cut a little bit of the tailpipe tips where they stick out of the resonators. I'm going to cut them a little bit shorter because the top of the tip is a little bit longer than the bottom of the tip, so the new tips wouldn't slide on the pipe far enough. That's one issue I have. And the other one is, it's like my exhaust is kind of turned in on both sides a little bit. I don't know if it's from it not being lined up right after I got my mid-muffler delete, or if that's just how it is and the tips just aren't straight enough or whatnot, but it's angled in too far towards the valence. So hopefully I don't have to do no heating or bending or anything like that, but I had to I had to stop on it last night, come to work this morning, Sunday morning, so I had access to a few more tools, try to get them installed right. So I hope it goes a little bit better. I'll go ahead and show you guys where I'm at. Here's the way the car looks right now, obviously with no exhaust tips on it. So, gotta get to work, get them on there, and hopefully it all works out. Okay guys, I got it all completed, as you can see. I don't know how happy I am with it. I mean, it looks okay, I think. Probably better than it did before. Took a little bit of work getting them to go on straight, and they don't fit perfectly. It's like they're turned inward, both of them. But they're on there. Got them the best as I could get them. I don't think they look too bad. There's quite a bit of gap there on each outside end. And that's what it looks like underneath, if you can see that. So they are rubbing on the plastic, and I did have to cut out a little bit of the plastic. So when I get home, I guess I'll find out if it melts the plastic at all. Hopefully not. They are double walled tips, so hopefully they're okay. Go ahead and start it up and see what it sounds like. I mean, I wouldn't think tips would make any difference in the sound at all. Not really expecting any. Just start it, and why not start it and see what it sounds like. Alright guys, please like, give me a comment, let me know what you think, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one.